Hi, it's Monday. So what? Hi, Ross. How are you?
May the 4th be with you.
May
you.
Thank you, Ross. I'll be sure to tell Mr. Mills that because he's all into Star Wars too. So, okay, so today we're going over the lab that we did on Friday with Mr. Bros and Scarlett, and I don't have any samples of what we did.
Wasn't Scarlett cool?
She was so cool. She was a scientist. She was just flat out adorable. She was so cute.
Not that cool. Not like me.
Well, nobody's like you, Ross, so what can we do? But I don't have any of the coffee filters with the colors on them because Charlotte wanted them, so I gave them to her.
Okay.
Okay, because if you want to see it, you can just go back to Friday's video. So we're going to go over that. So if you remember, we put the colors, we colored the marker on top of the coffee filters, and then we dripped water on it, and then it kind of oozed down the sides and came out with all kinds of colors. So your conclusion questions, number one, name the solution. Well, the solution is just ink. The solution is all the stuff all together. So the solution is ink, all of it put together. The solvent is what makes up most of the solution. So the solvent is water. Most of a watercolor marker is water. And then number three, name the solutes. The solutes would be the different colors of dye that are in the ink. So we had, in mine, I had the kind of turquoise color and the kind of orangish color. Scarlett's had the pink. Mr. Bros has had some orangey kind of stuff in it and some turquoise and some green. There were blues, there were purples, there were all kinds of different colors in the colors that make up those inks. So the solution is the ink, the solvent is water, and the solutes are all the different dyes. Now you're supposed to name and describe at least two different natural substances used to make dyes. And most people give me the answer of berries, some kind of berry or cherry or some kind of food item. Mustard, like mustard, that yellow plant that grows that stains everything yellow. There are all kinds of natural dyes. Our soil is red. It's got that reddish brown color to it. That's also a natural dye. Just ask anybody who lives in Nevada County who used to have white shoes. They're not white after a while because of the red clay dirt that we have in our soil. And there are all kinds of different dyes out there. You know, where do you think we got all the colors for our clothes and everything? They're all from natural plants. Get a grass stain, natural dye right there. Can you think of anything else, Ross? Think of anything else that can stain? How about like coffee?
I don't like coffee.
Oh, you don't like coffee, okay. But it does.
Therefore it doesn't stain.
It doesn't stain you. But a lot of
But
people.
other people's teeth, ugh.
Yes, yes. And tobacco.
Don't drink coffee.
Don't drink coffee.
Don't smoke tobacco.
Don't smoke tobacco.
Or chew it.
Don't smoke anything. Yeah, don't do any of that.
Shh.
Yeah, the construction workers are out there. We might get interrupted. There was a bulldozer on the blacktop a few minutes ago, so I may have to shout at you so that you can hear what I'm saying. Okay, so that's it for the lab. If you drew a picture, that's even better because this lab is an obvious picture lab. And take a picture of it, send it to me. The next thing we're going to do is go over your focus question. You should have this in your science notebook, like I have. And I'm gonna write the answer up here on the board. It's a lot, but you can pause me. Isn't that nice? You can pause me, just like I can mute you. Okay.
Wow.
So here we go. Let me do it. I'll do it in black. So black and green. We have Gilmore colors. Okay. A solution. Okay, first of all, what are chemical solutions and how are they made? Here we go. A solution is a mixture that is the same throughout. Okay, mixtures, the solution is a mixture that is the same throughout. New color. Solutions can be made by combining solids, liquids, or solids or gases. My pen is running out of ink. Or solids, liquids, or liquids with gases. The only thing you can't do is a solid and a gas. Those don't combine. Okay, next. The substance that makes up, whoops, oh yeah, that's right, makes up most of the solution is the, I better go back over here because I don't know how much I can get on the screen. That makes most solution is the solvent. Okay. Substance. Substances that are in the solvent are the solutes. 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 Okay, so what are chemical solutions and how are they made? A solution is a mixture that is the same throughout. Solutions can be made by combining solids, liquids, or gases, or solids with liquids, or liquids with gases. The substance that makes up most of the solution is the solvent. The substances that are in the solvent are the solutes. Okay, there you go. There's your focus question from last time. Now you have a quiz to take. It's the 10.1 quiz. On my website, it's under the worksheets drop down, and it's called Section 10.1 Quiz. Take your quiz, write your answers down, take a picture, send it to me, and I'll get your score. That's it for today, Ross.
Think, study, and smart you will become.
Now you're sounding like Yoda. You got a whole Star Wars thing going on here, Ross. Yeah, you're proud of yourself. Okay, love you. Bye.